let's wrap up this section after discussing issues life cycle and then various events belongs to SonarQube. Then we will jump into the project. So issues life cycle, it begins with the statuses. After creation, issues flow through a life cycle, making one of the following statuses. Okay, so either open or confirmed, resolved, reopened, or closed. And then similarly, we can have a issues, we can have a resolutions, fixed or remote, and false positive, and won't fix. So let me get into that, and I'm going to show you one more time. I just gave you the brief understanding. Let me come down. Let's come to the resolution. You have the 4-5 options. The first one is fixed, sorry, unresolved, and before that we'll look into the status first. Status, we have 5 statuses. Of one is open. Open means it's set by SonarQube on new issues. Then we have confirmed. Confirmed means it will set manually to indicate that this issue is valid. And resolved, set manually to indicate that the next analysis should close this issue. Reopened, set automatically by SonarQube when a resolved issue hasn't actually been corrected. So closed, automatically it would automatically be done by SonarQube for automatically created issues. It will automatically close that. Then we have resolutions, such as let me click on the resolution, unresolved, and false positive, fixed, removed, and won't fix. So closed issues will have one of the following resolutions. Fixed, set, it's automatically when a subsequent analysis shows that issue has been corrected or the file is no longer available. Then removed, set automatically when the related rule is no longer available. The rule may not be available either because it has been removed from the quality profile or because the underlying plugin has been uninstalled. And resolved issues will have one of the following resolutions, such as false positive or won't fix. So if the issue has been resolved, that can have either false positive or won't fix. False positive means basically it's resolved, it's showing positive, but it's not the case. And then won't fix, so at this moment it's not fixed, and it's at to fix it. That's it. And we have issue workflow, and issues are automatically closed. That's a status closed when an issue has been properly fixed. That's a resolution fixed. An issue no longer exists because the related coding rule has been deactivated or is no longer available. So issues are automatically reopened when an issue that was manually resolved as fixed is shown by subsequent analysis to still exist. So then we will look into the activity and history, or simply there are 4 types of events. The project, so there are 4 types of events mainly. The first one is quality gate. It talks about the status of the quality gate changed. Then profile, the quality profile used to analyze the project changed. So either the profile was edited or a different profile was issued to analyze the project. Then the version, the project's versions changed, and then an event was manually created on a snapshot. So now, so far we have seen the concepts with the practical explanation. So now we will move on to one project.